What if the universe is not endless space, but a carefully organized structure described thousands of years ago? Ancient Indian texts say the universe has 14 levels, stacked one above the another, each with different realities. These layers are called Lokas, and every being in existence lives inside one of them. This is not mythology fantasy, but a complete cosmic map explaining where different life forms actually exist. Once you understand this structure, the universe suddenly starts making sense in a shocking way. We will start from the lowest worlds and slowly travel upward to reach the highest level of reality. The universe is divided into 7 lower worlds, 1 middle world, and 6 higher worlds. The 7 lower worlds are called Lokas, where material density increases and awareness becomes limited. At the very bottom exists Patala Loka, the deepest realm where material energy is strongest and consciousness is lowest. Patala Loka is described as the home of Naga beings, linked strongly to underground and earth energies. Just above Patala lies Mahatala Loka, where survival, strength, and instinct guide most intelligent behavior. Mahatala beings are intelligent, but their thinking stays focused on power, control, and physical survival only. Above Mahatala exists Rasatala Loka, a realm where intelligence grows but emotions remain heavily material and aggressive. Rasatala is described as the home of powerful Daitya and Danava beings with sharp minds. These beings are highly intelligent, yet their awareness remains centered on dominance, pleasure, and material success. Above Rasatala lies Talatala Loka, where advanced knowledge exists but is used mainly for control. Talatala is ruled by the architect Maya, who represents mastery over material technology and illusion. Here, technology is advanced, but spiritual awareness remains low, keeping beings trapped in material control systems. Above Talatala exists Sutala Loka, which is described as more balanced than lower material realms. Sutala is ruled by King Bali, a powerful being known for discipline, order, and strong moral structure. Although Sutala is material, awareness here is higher, showing that consciousness can grow even in dense realms. Above Sutala lies Vitala Loka, where material enjoyment increases but awareness still remains limited. Vitala is described as a realm of intense pleasure, creativity, and material attraction without higher spiritual focus. Above Vitala lies Atala Loka, the lowest material world, driven almost entirely by instinct and desire. Atala represents extreme material attachment, where awareness is minimal and survival instincts dominate existence. These 7 lower worlds together are called Patala Lokas, representing deep material density and reduced consciousness. Now we move upward to Bhuloka, Earth's plane, where material life and self-awareness intersect. Bhuloka is unique because beings here can experience matter, emotion, intellect, and spiritual questioning together. Humans live in Bhuloka, making it the most critical level for conscious evolution. Above Earth lies Bhuvarloka, the atmospheric and energetic region between physical and subtle worlds. Loka is said to house subtle beings such as ancestors and energy forms that are not visible to humans. Time flows slightly different here, explaining why ancient texts describe longer lifespans in higher lokas. Above Loka exists Loka, where awareness, pleasure, and refined intelligence reach much higher levels. Loka is home to Devas, beings with refined intelligence, pleasure, and responsibility over natural cosmic forces. Life in Loka is joyful, but it is still temporary and bound by cosmic time cycles. Above Loka lies Loka, a higher plane where awareness rises beyond pleasure towards cosmic understanding. Loka is inhabited by great sages who survive even during partial cosmic dissolutions. Time moves much slower here, meaning beings live for millions of human years. Above Loka exists Janaloka, where beings focus almost entirely on knowledge, creation, and subtle reality. Janaloka is home to highly evolved beings born directly from cosmic intelligence, not physical processes. Above Janaloka lies Tapoloka, a realm dedicated entirely to deep meditation, discipline, and inner heat. Tapoloka beings exist in constant awareness, unaffected by material pleasure, pain, or emotional disturbances. Time here is extremely slow, making Tapoloka lifespans nearly unimaginable in human measurements. Above Tapoloka lies Satyaloka, the highest realm, representing near perfect balance of awareness and existence. Satyaloka is the residence of Lord Brahma, the cosmic creator responsible for organizing each universe cycle. Beings in Satyaloka possess extremely high awareness, understanding time, creation, and dissolution almost completely. Time here moves so slowly that billions of human years feels like a brief moments. The 14 lokas together form one complete cosmic system, arranged by increasing awareness, not physical distance. Lower lokas represent dense matter dominance, while higher lokas represent subtle awareness dominance. This structure explains why ancient texts describe multiple dimensions instead of a single flat universe. Earth sits perfectly in the middle, allowing beings to move upward or downward consciously. Human life is considered rare because it allows choice, growth, ignorance, wisdom, and liberation together. As awareness increases, time slows down, matching modern physics ideas about higher dimensional time flow. This makes ancient cosmology surprisingly technical, structured, and compatible with modern scientific thinking. The lokas are not places to escape to, but states of awareness to evolve through. Ancient texts explain that movement between lokas depend on awareness level, not physical travel or machines. Death is described not as an ending, but as a transition point within this larger 14-level cosmic structure. Lower awareness pulls beings downward, while clarity and discipline naturally lift consciousness upward. This explains karma technically as momentum created by actions, habits, and repeated patterns of awareness. Each loka acts like a training zone, preparing consciousness for the next stage of complexity. Even gods are not permanent because they still exist inside time, cycles, and cosmic law. Only beyond Satyaloka does creation dissolve completely, when the entire 14 loka system collapses together. This cycle repeats endlessly, meaning the universe is rebuilt again and again, never truly finished. Humans matter because they stand at the exact midpoint of this massive cosmic ladder. From Earth, consciousness can rise toward liberation or fall toward deeper material limitation. This makes human life extremely valuable, rare, and powerful within the structure of the universe. Ancient seers designed this system not as fantasy, but as a technical map of consciousness evolution. The lokas explain why different beings experience reality, time, intelligence, and lifespan so differently. Modern physics now suggests higher dimensions where time slows down, matching descriptions of higher lokas. This shows the universe is layered by awareness, not random chaos or blind creation. Earth is not insignificant, but strategically placed where maximum growth, struggle, and transformation are possible. Every human decision quietly pushes awareness upward or downwards within this invisible cosmic structure. The 14 lokas together reveal a universe that is alive, intelligent, and constantly learning through beings. This is why ancient cosmology never feared science, because both search for structure and truth. Understanding the lokas changes how you see life, death, effort, failure, and growth completely. You realize you are not lost in the universe, but placed exactly where growth is possible. The 14 lokas deliver one final truth. The universe evolves outward, but awakening happens inward.